Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off USB storage in WhatsApp. So if you are for some reason switched over to USB storage, so what you can do is simply head over to your settings, and here you have your chats and everything. So search in here for storage, and you can see we have storage and data. In here we have manage storage options. So if you do have anything related to USB, you can turn that off from this section, and you have many other options as well. Let's just say you want to add just your media auto download. It is going to be available in here. So I do not have any type of USB storage in here, so it is not showing. But if you have, you can easily turn that off using the manage storage option. So it is actually really simple. You can try this out by yourself as well. I hope this helps, and if it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends. See you around in the next video.